Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching my videos, and this video is partially in Vizag and Hyderabad. So this would be the last day in Vizag. So I've started my vlog at my cousin's place. All of our family members have gathered here for lunch, and it was a very wonderful day. So if you look at the video, there's so many dishes to eat. It's egg curry, prawn curry, chicken fry, keema fry, rasam and sweets. On the day when you're invited for lunch, and if you have so many dishes to have, you'll actually try to manage to taste each and everything. But I actually skipped having desserts because I didn't want to add too much of sugar. So that's the reason I skipped the dessert part. And I had all the curries, I tasted all the curries, they were amazing and I loved the lunch. So once we are done with the lunch, we had to leave to the airport, so we started early. So it's time to say goodbye to Honey, family members and Vizag. We have reached the airport a little early, but however, we came to know that the flight is delayed by almost like 1 hour. So we had to wait there, and I actually wanted to check all the rangolis which are there, and the airport is very well decorated if you look at the video, but I had to go for the bag checking, so I had to leave and I could not check all the rangolis there. But the airport was very well decorated. I just loved it. Finally, we have reached Hyderabad, and the airport in Hyderabad as well was really very well decorated with all the dream catches there, and people were actually standing there and getting pictures clicked, and I could shoot all this. So finally I reached home, and this yellow rose is beautiful, right? So for my meal, I actually prepared this bhindi fry. This tastes really very good with sambar rice or tomato dal. All you need to do is chop the bhindi, and you need to fry them, deep fry them in the oil, and also a little cashew. And then all you need to do is add some chili powder and also some salt to taste. Just mix the curry and have it with rice. It tastes really yummy. As it was Independence Day, I decorated the plate with veggies in the shape of flag. After my meal, I wanted to actually sit, relax and paint a new painting. So I actually started this Budha painting. I hope you all like this. So I'm going to show you this new place where we actually went for a dinner in the evening. So we're almost close by, and this place is actually called President Dhaba. Many of you might have visited this. This place is in Madhapur, and we actually had all veg curries. So this is how actually the menu card looks like in the President Dhaba, and the food is really very tasty. So if anyone is really fond of having Punjabi dishes or dhabas, you can definitely go here. First, we actually ordered veg manchur soup, and the soup was really yummy. It tasted good. And then we actually ordered some fried rice and naan with, I think that was curry. Yeah, that was a kadai paneer curry. You can just take a look at this President Dhaba, how they actually painted their walls with different colors. The colors were really very bright and very attractive as well. Red, yellow, blue, green, and sort of desi style. After the yummy dinner at President Dhaba, we headed to the Inorbit Mall to watch a Telugu movie, and then we actually returned home. So this is it for this video, and do like, share, comment and share your feedback as well with me. So thank you so much for watching my videos, and please subscribe to my channel. Bye.